out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you have been here for a little while. Today we're going to go through my FabFitFun box. So I feel like it's taken a little while for this box to get here. I know there were some delays because of the holidays and that sort of thing. But I feel like everybody who usually does these unboxings for FabFitFun have already had theirs and done their unboxings. So none of this may be new to you unless you only watch my channel for FabFitFun unboxings, which that would be awesome too. But we're going to go through and we're going to see what I got because it's fun. All right, so if you've never done FabFitFun, this I think is my third box. They do them quarterly and they are $49.99, I believe, for just the general box. You do have several things that you can choose on your own. I think there are 3 of the items that you can choose from a series of about 5 items, which ones that you want in your box. The other things they choose for you. So when you have your box, you have a little magazine, and this usually has more descriptions of what's in your box and things of that nature. And this has a little self-care checklist, some relaxing yoga poses. So it just gives you some cute little tips and things like that, just to keep yourself beautiful and healthy and all that good stuff. So let me grab my glasses and we will get started with the rest of the box. Okay, so the other things that we have, oh, let's see. Okay, we have Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish patches. So that's a 40 pack of blemish packets. And let's see, what can we learn about these? 6B. Pesky blemishes stand no chance against these patches. So I guess you just put these right on a blemish and hopefully it just makes them disappear. I don't know, we'll find out. Cool. We have a Kind bar. So this is a Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. So this says you use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. So we might give that a try. We can always reduce some puffiness. See what this is. This is a pore purifying cleanser. It is Dr. Brandt. All right, so it is remove makeup residue and dead skin while banishing sebum and decongesting pores. So I have a cleanser that I typically use. That is just CeraVe moisturizing or hydrating cleanser. So I might give this a try just to see if I notice any differences in my skin. Can't hurt, right? Now, if I start getting breakouts, then that's a whole different story. We probably won't be using it very much. So then we have just some coupons and some ads. HelloFresh and a FabFitFun. $15 off. So I will have this referral link down in the description box if you decide you want to try a box of FabFitFun. And you do have to be careful with FabFitFun. If you happen to do, now this is not for the starter box. This is for $15 off your first box if you subscribe. The starter box, you do have to be careful because they do automatically, after you order a starter box, they do automatically put you into the quarterly unless you cancel. And of course, you can cancel this at any time. All right, then we have Lowly Tea Seed Elixir. Let's see, this is the Multitasking Serum, nourishes the skin and hair with organic tea seed, flaxseed, and apricot oils. So I have never used oils and things like that on my skin. So this is something, and I went ahead and I think this was a curated item, and I got this one because this is something that I'm wanting to try to start doing to see if I like it, to see if I notice a difference in my skin at all. It says to apply day and night to clean, damp skin or dry hair. Follow with SPF. So I'm just going to put it there on my hand just to see how it feels. It's got a little bit of a lemony smell to it. So it feels good on my skin. It doesn't feel oily. Okay, we'll give it a try. We'll see if we like it. All right, let's see what else we have. We have Fight Mode Skincare. So we got a lot of skincare in this one this time, which is fine. You know, this time of year is always a skin care issue for a lot of people. Hydrate and nourish your skin with a blend of Australian wildberry harvest and hydraulic acid. So this looks like it's a mask. After cleansing and when you're ready for rest, apply this mask to your face, neck, and back of hands. It will absorb while you relax or sleep. No need to rinse off, just massage into your skin. Easy enough. I'm all about doing easy. I will give that a try probably tonight. Oh, and then we just have a little FabFitFun sticker. And this is Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Yes, please. So it brightens, hydrates, and depuffs. It has cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hydraulic acid. This is what I need. I mean, I've got these under eye, I don't know, dark circles under my eyes, and they drive me crazy. So maybe it's something like this will help. Let's see what it says here. Place these hydraulic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffiness. I don't really have a whole lot of puffiness. It's mostly the dark coloring, but I'm gonna give them a try. You place one pair of gels onto clean, dry underskin area for 5 minutes or longer. Discard after use and massage remaining serum into skin. All right, I like it. And then we also have a touch highlight LED mirror. This was something that was that I could choose, and I did choose this because I need some better lighting for my makeup. And this mirror features a bright white LED light strip at the top of a sensor button to help you perfect your makeup. It retails for $45. Yay. So I didn't tell you the retail of all the other items, but I will put it on the screen. So as I'm talking about it, you'll know, but just, I haven't mentioned it. So there you have it. All right. And then we have, and I think this is the last item in my box, and this is London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. So let's see what this has to say. Nail recovery. So this is what it looks like. Oh, okay, here we go. I found it. So this nourish your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and vitamins B5 and C. So this retails for $20. So I'm not sure that I would spend $20 on something like this, but as you can tell, I don't spend a whole lot of time on my nails. So, but it goes on just like a nail polish, and it's just a clear, like a clear coat. So there you have it. So that is everything in my FabFitFun box this time. I feel like this is pretty standard. It seems like maybe there usually is one or two more things, but I'm happy with what I received in this one. I'm not sure how much longer I'll do the FabFitFun. I know that if I don't use these items, that obviously my girls will, but I'm going to give these a try, see if I like them. If I end up liking them, then maybe I'll order from the website, from, you know, the company website or Amazon or wherever you can find these items. But what I don't want to do with FabFitFun is I don't want to keep getting items that I'm not going to use. So I'm definitely going to try some of these things, and I've been trying everything, but I don't want to get an overabundance of items that are just going to sit and not get used. I don't want to waste my money. But so far, so good. I've been pleased with my items. I'm pleased with this box, and I will be doing probably a spring box, and then I'll probably decide whether or not I want to keep doing it or maybe try a different one. But there you have it. That is the FabFitFun winter box. And again, mine is nothing special. It's just your general box that you get. I don't pay any more for extra curated items, and I didn't add anything to my box, which you can do as well. So there you have it. So I am gonna go ahead and sign off. I hope that you will like and share and comment down below if you've tried any of these items and you love them. I can't wait to hear from you. Let me know what you liked. And I will see you guys soon. I am Cindy Settle and I am signing out. Mwah.